Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome. And now we have to tap on the... okay. Wait a second. And now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. You can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, this section, so saved passwords, also field form data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range. It's up to you. I'll choose all time. Then let's simply tap on Clear Data. And we just got back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that we just successfully removed all saved browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.